Hare Krishna. In today's fast-moving world, our children are growing up with endless distraction, influence, and peer pressure. So, as parents and caregivers, we want to give our children the best of everything: education, success. But with all this, it's important that children are also given values, direction, spiritual grounding, which is the most important thing.
Because true education is not about information, but it's about transformation. And when the children are spiritually nourished, they grow up with compassion and clarity. And this journey begins at home.
Having been born and brought up in a Krishna conscious ambience and being lovingly raised within the loving shelter of ISKCON, we've been privileged to experience devotional culture from our very childhood.
Receiving such mercy from an early age, we naturally desired to share the similar experience with the younger generation and engage them in joyful devotional activities like dramas, kirtans, rath yatras, and other spiritual uplifting programs.
Amongst all these, one special initiative that we undertook was our children's summer camp.
Inspired by the foundational principles of our founder Acharya A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, that books are the basis and preaching is the essence, we tried to introduce to the children the treasures of devotional life through a joyful and engaging atmosphere.
We not only taught the children prayers from Srimad Bhagavatam for our own purification and upliftment, but also tried to educate them deeply about the lives and the teachings of the associates of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who are the true pioneers of our spiritual life.
As the years passed, we gradually began creating beautifully illustrated workbooks for the children so that learning devotional subjects could become more attractive and memorable for them.
Each study was accompanied by a spiritual tour which was connected to the topic. For example, when we learned about Vrinda Devi, we took the children to Vrindavan and the surrounding holy places.
And next year, we made a scrapbook on Ashtasakis and we took the children to the villages of the Radharani's chief gopis.
Later, while systematically studying the life of Dhruva Maharaj, we took the children to Madhuban.
In this way, we try to give our children both Gyan and Vigyan, that is scriptural knowledge, along with practical application and experience. Our heartfelt desire has always been to present Srila Prabhupada's teachings and books in a structured and curriculum-based way, so that the children would develop a natural attachment and love and appreciation for the teachings of Srila Prabhupada's book.
Keeping this in mind, we came up with this concept, absorption in Navada Bhakti, emphasizing the importance of the 9 processes of devotional service as explained by Sri Prahlad Maharaj. And every year we have a lot of enthusiastic children who participate. Like we have more than 70-80 children who come every year for this camp.
So this year we have also given an opportunity to the children and families outside Vrindavan to come to Sri Vrindavan Dham and learn Krishna consciousness. So amazingly, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we have received children from across India, from West Bengal, from Siliguri, from Chandigarh, from Lucknow, from Mumbai, and from Delhi, Greater Noida, from everywhere.
As we continue to move forward in this journey, we hope and pray to create many more such interesting and spiritually enriching Krishna conscious books, and also try to take them to the holy places connected to the topics so that the children can practically experience what they have learned.
In this regard, one of our future aspirations, if Krishna permits, is to make a book on Nectar of Instructions, which is based on Srila Prabhupada's teachings, and take the children to Hrishikesh Dham.
And there are many such wonderful topics that the children should learn. We would also like to do the 9 mystical islands of Navadvip and teachings of Prahlad Maharaj and take them to Ahobilam. The teachings of Prahlad Maharaj are very, very important for children in today's day and time.
Learn about Srila Madhvacharya and take them to Udupi Dham.
In this way, we have planned our immediate future projects which could be executed.
only by the mercy of Krishna and Srila Prabhupada.
Our heartfelt prayer is that through this camp, every child feels connected to Krishna.
And creating beautiful memories, lifelong friendship in the association of devotees in this beautiful Sri Vrindavan Dham. Hare Krishna.